We're going to leave around 2. See you guys there. Oh, call me back if you talk to Sam before you leave. I was hoping she'd ride up with me.
Merry fucking Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Are you excited to get away?
I definitely am. All right, let's get there before my brother and Max so we can clean the rooms.
And Nick.
Wait, what?
Yeah. He heard Tommy and Max talking about it. He didn't want to go home for Christmas, so they invited him.
Bully for us then.
Would I fuck Nick?
I think I need to sharpen my skates.
Yeah, you look like shit out there.
At least I didn't score on my own net last year.
At least I'm not a ginger idiot.
Fuck off. Hey, you did tell your sister I was coming, right?
Yeah. And nothing. You know Noe. If she's pissed, she's not going to tell me.
Thomas, phone for you.
Got it? Yo.
Hey, what are you still doing down at the rink?
Practicing with Max.
Dude, it's almost 2.
Oh shit, I haven't even packed my bags. Max! We gotta go!
Oh my god.
Now there's a sight for sore eyes. Anyway, as I was saying about my truck,
Looks like you can bring it
I'm
to
up on the road last night. I stopped for a whiz. I'm standing there, and I hear this screeching. Sounds like a scream. I'm starting to get a little bit nervous because it's coming my way. It's getting closer. I was scared, Ray. I've never been scared before. Easy. I shit you not. I jumped in my truck and I tore out of there. And I could hear it.
Do they have hot chocolate?
Clawing at the window. I couldn't see it. But I could hear it, and it's getting louder and louder. And I get home, and get this. My door is all fucked up. It's covered in claw marks.
No shit, Hank.
Where are you headed?
Cyprus?
Just like Hank here, you're gonna have to take the bass up to the mountain.
What do you think it was?
Can't say for sure. But I'll bet it likes to eat little girls. On the house.
Let's go.
You're welcome, sweetheart. You girls have fun now.
What the fuck was up with that guy?
I don't know, he can choke.
Do you guys think that story was true?
No, get real, Sam. They just say that to people passing through town to scare them. It's total bullshit.
So you're saying I shouldn't feel guilty for stealing the...
Oh, look at you! That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. Yeah.
Matted to your face. Used to be your
Hey, Downer, do we have anything else back there, Sam? I think I have a few upbeat ones in the seat pocket.
Do you want to talk about it? No, I'm fine.
It's fine. My brother invited the dude who shit all over my heart to share a 2-bedroom cabin with me and my friends because why the fuck not? But I'm fine. Seriously, I'm fine.
So you're fine then?
Oh well, what can you do?
It'll be good.
No, it'll be great. Are you holding out on us back there?
I just wanted to lighten the mood.
Do you want some? You know I do.
as a permanent fixture. Come to my apartment, make yourself at home. I've never seen you smile so. I'd never seen you get so flustered and so tongue-tied, asking me to come with you to the great unknown.
Tommy, grab some smokes. Hey man, do you want to grab me a box of condoms? I don't know if Sam's bringing any.
Sure. Absolutely.
Thanks. Dude, don't try to fuck my sister again, I swear to God.
I wasn't even thinking.
I swear to God, this is going to be a drama-free Christmas. Hey.
Hey,
Can I get a pack of Lucky Cats?
sure thing. Where you boys headed?
Cyprus.
Oh, it's real nice up there this time of year. You been there before?
No.
Yeah, when I was a little kid.
Oh, yeah. Well, the roads can be a bit of a bitch, so you better watch yourself.
All right.
That'll be $17.50.
20.
You'll need these too.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome. Change.
Sweet.
You boys have a Merry Christmas.
Thanks, you too.
Take care.
See you around.
Man, what a great guy.
Yeah. You get my smokes?
Yeah. All right, let me drive.
Get fucked. Let's go.
I can't hear you.
Okay. Fine.
Got it.
Want some?
How did you find this place again?
It was my great uncle's. I haven't been here since I was like 5, but my grandma wanted to use before it's torn down. Oh, and at the very least, we can enjoy Shawshank Redemption.
Seems pretty quiet.
Yeah, all the odd lots have been sold. They're gonna build a fancy lodge out here or something.
Do you know what that means? No neighbors, no noise complaints. No neighbors, no noise complaints. No neighbors, no noise complaints. No neighbors, no noise complaints.
Hey, I'm taking this room.
Oh.
Well done, Faith. My feet are perpetually cold, and I will be hogging all the blankets.
I'll go in. Hey! We should go find a little Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
Right now, it's cold.
Maddie, astute. Come on, Nomi! We're going shopping.
Coming.
No, that's not for you. You take it. I'm scared.
I'm gonna
Oh. Hurry up, Sammy.
What? What? Okay.
What about that one?
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't know. You choose.
Yeah, hey, how about this little guy?
Yeah, sure, let's just hurry.
Jesus, you guys. Guys.
What?
Hey, do you guys mind if I just take a minute out here?
Yeah,